guys, so just before we get into the video, I wanted to talk with you guys a little bit about channel memberships as well as channel support in general. So my channel memberships are $2.99 a month, and with that you get custom emojis that you can use during live chats and whatnot. And then I also have member-only videos, which are usually a more personal look into my life. They're more blog style. And also on a sporadic basis, I do member-only giveaways. My goal, though, is to be able to do more giveaways. Not just member-only giveaways, but more giveaways in general on the channel. But I would like to reach a point where I can do at least one members only giveaway a month. As far as other channel support, there are multiple ways that you can do that, which are all in the description box below. So if you guys really enjoy my content and you guys can, maybe you could do me a favor and check out, my channel channel memberships, or check out the options for channel support in general. It is greatly appreciated. Like I said, I do have some goals where I'd like to be able to start doing more regular giveaways for you guys. So yeah, let's get into the video. Happy Friday, guys, and welcome to another Stitch of the Week video. If you're new to my channel, I'm Adrian, and Kiwi is my parrot. If you're unfamiliar with this series, I am slowly working my way doing stitch tutorials. I'm slowly working my way through this book. It is called the New Crochet Stitch Dictionary. And each week on Friday, I show you how to do one of the stitches out of the book. We are still working through the first section, which is basic, or variations of basic stitches. And this week's stitch is number 10. It is called Horizontal V-Stitch Ridges. Now, I will leave the link for where you can get this book in the description box. I've had it for a little while. It's a really good book. Y'all should definitely check it out, especially if you are looking to possibly start designing. So to do these stitch tutorials, I am just using some worsted weight scrap yarn that I had, and my 5.5 millimeter Kiwi crochet hook. If you're interested in this hook, I will also leave where you can get a hook like this, or I've got a collection of these. This one was custom made specifically for me to look like Kiwi. They are hand sculpted, so I'll leave a link to the Etsy shop that you guys can get these in if you are interested. But beyond that, I'm going to get the camera turned around and we'll jump into the tutorial.
Alright guys, so we are going to start off with a slip knot. And this stitch can be worked with any number of chain stitches plus 1. So I'm going to go ahead and do 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 11, and 12. Now our first row is just going to be a row of single crochets. So we're going to put a single crochet in each one of these chain stitches. to 11. It's Benjamin. It's in your sister's room. So you should have 11 single crochet across here if you're doing just a little swatch like I am. And then chain 1 and turn your work. And we're going to be working in these horizontal bars here. You can see them right here all the way across. Let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then this last one is going to be right in there, I believe. I'm learning this stitch too, so actually there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I think you work in this first bar. I'm learning this from the book just like anybody else. It's a new stitch to me, so we'll see how it works out. But I believe nope, we're gonna skip that one. We're going to work into these horizontal bars and just do single crochets into these little horizontal bars right there. It's 2, 3, 4, uh-oh, got some yarn barf here. And then this one. Maybe if I can get it under there. I'm just gonna put the last one. I think the last one is supposed to go right there rather than here, because these are in this row of horizontal lines. Because you have to have the same stitch count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that gives me a stitch count of 11, and I believe that's the correct way to do it. So we're going to chain 1, turn our work, and we're going to do it again. We're going to skip this portion right here, jump into this horizontal bar going from the bottom up, and single crochet. And you can see you're starting to get those ridges on this side. This is the first time I've done this stitch, and it does seem like it's a little bit time consuming, but I could see myself using this stitch for like a scarf, where, you know, if I wanted a project that I didn't want to have to follow a pattern for, I could just, you know, if I was making like a scarf, I could just use this particular stitch and I wouldn't have to really think about it or look at a pattern, that kind of a thing. It probably would be a little bit more time consuming. It would take me a little bit longer to make a scarf with this stitch, just because I'm not as familiar with it as your basic stitches, but it would give a scarf a nice texture instead of just plain single crochet. I'm definitely needing practice getting under these horizontal bars though. I'm gonna have to practice that a little bit. And then I'm going to put the last one right here in that loop. So you can see I've got some ridges going on here. On the other side, I've got, this is what it looks like, and it's got the ridges along here. I am going to work up a few more rows, and then I will show you guys, I'll come back and show you what my swatch looks like.
Alright guys, so I did a few more rows. Here's what my swatch looks like. You can see the little horizontal ridges. It does look the same on both sides, which is pretty cool. Like I said, I don't know if I'm doing the last stitch right, but so I mean the ridges kind of stop right here at the last stitch, stitch right there on both sides. But I do like this stitch. I like it a lot, actually. So yeah, that's what it looks like. I could see myself using this to make a sweater using panels. Actually, while I was working up the swatch, I was picturing a sweater made out of panels, but rotating the panels so that the ridges were actually vertical and ran, well, probably if I did something like that, I would probably do it this way so that the V's ran down the sweater that way. But yeah, I think this is a nice stitch to add some texture to a single crochet. Yeah, really nice stitch. Anyways, guys, I hope that you guys enjoyed the tutorial. I hope that you guys use it. If you do make something with this stitch, by all means, shoot me a picture in my email. You can email me a picture. I'd love to see it. If you've used this stitch, let me know what you think about it. And by the way, my email and all my contact information, all of that is down in the description box. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. I will see you in the next one. Bye.